Do you think Coach Tim Cohn is out of his prime already
I wouldn't
as a
say
coach?
that. I think he's still good. I think he's still alert, and in terms of coaching, ano pa rin. But maybe wala na sa ano. Kasi sometimes, not sometimes, but all of the time, you're just as good as your team. A coach is as good as his team. Ipa-coach mo sa Terra Firma. Tingnan natin ang galing ni Tim Cone. Let him coach Terra Firma. Let's see how good he is. Let him coach God-forsaken Blackwater. Let's see how good he is. Magaling ka lang, nasa Hinebra ka. Lahat ng mga team na pinapa-champion niya, puro loaded eh. But let's see him go through the crucible of a team that are limited in talent, limited in budget. Tingnan natin. So when you lose, dapat role model ka na, Grand Slam winner ka, coach of the year, national team coach ka. You're supposed to be the model